Hello students, welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Now today we are going to learn case study number 3, that is again GST on goods. So it is from the chapter number 3, computerized accounting using GST. Now here it is mentioned Balaji Enterprises, College Road, Nashik, Maharashtra. This is the company name where you have to do the transactions which is out of Maharashtra state. That's why IGST is applicable for the taxes, that is integrated taxes. Now based on these conditions, we have to generate the different reports with the GST calculations. So let's see this example with the help of Tally ERP 9. Hello students, now let's see the next example, that is case study number 3 on the page number 62. First step, start with the creation of company. So you have to click on create company option. Now after clicking on create company option, enter the company details, that is Balaji Enterprises Limited. Now this company is situated in Nashik, so write down the address, that is College Road, Nasik. The code is given as 422005. This is the pin code. Country name is India. State name is Maharashtra. Again the pin code 422005. After that the phone number, the STD code for the Nashik is 0253 followed by the landline number. Enter the mobile number. Again fax number start with 0253 followed by the fax number digits. Write down the email, that is Balaji Enterprises @gmail.com. Website www.balajienterprises.com. Then the financial year is 01.04.2018. Books beginning date, keep the same date for all the types of transactions and press Y to accept it. This is your first step. Now for the second step, go to the features. That is, you have to change the features of the company. Press F11 and select the statutory and the taxation. When you select it, then the first option is enable goods and services tax, so that you make it yes. Second, set oblique alter GST details, that also you make it yes. Then type the state name as Maharashtra, this keep it as regular, and type the GSTN number which is mentioned in your slip, that is 27 PQRST 1234 T2Z1. Then press enter. This is monthly. Then set oblique alter GST details no and press Y to accept it. After this, press enter and press Y to accept. So change this feature in the features, that is by pressing F11. Now the third step is you have to create the ledgers. Now to create the ledgers, go to the accounts info, go to the ledgers and click on create option. The first ledger is interstate purchase account, as it is applicable to the different state. So interstate purchase account, which goes under purchase account. Then here not applicable, GST is applicable. Then set oblique alter GST no, type of supply is goods and press Y to accept. Second one is interstate sales account, which goes under the sales account. Again the feature GST is applicable, set oblique alter GST details no, and type of supply is goods. Press Y to accept it. So sales and purchase accounts are over. Then the third account is MS Bangalore Kitchen Suppliers account, which goes under sundry creditor. Now when you enter for the sundry creditor, in the slip it is mentioned the address also. So type it the address, that is Sudhama Nagar, Bangalore, Karnataka. Then India, the state name is Karnataka and the pin code which is mentioned is 560002. Then GSTN number is also mentioned, that is 29 ABCDE 1235 R2Z4. Then set oblique alter GST details, no. Press Y to accept. Next account is Anand Multi Agencies account, which goes under sundry debtors. Here also the address which is mentioned in your slip, that is Kuppam Nagar, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. State name is Tamil Nadu. Pin code is 600033. Again enter the GSTN number 33 which is given in your slip, STUVW 1345 S2Z6. Then set oblique alter GST details, no, and press Y to accept. Next account is IGST, as it is integrated tax, so it goes under duties and taxes. Here you will select GST, as it is integrated tax, so select integrated tax, percentage of calculation is 0 and press Y to accept. Now the ledgers which are required, that are over, go to the display and let's see the list of all the ledgers. So these are the ledgers which we have created. Now after this, next step is to create the inventory items. In that, the first is unit of measure. So while creating the unit of measure, here you will press symbol as numbers, here NOS, and the unit quantity code is NOS, that is numbers. Number of decimal places 0 and press Y to accept. Next one is creation of stock groups. Stock groups, the name of the stock groups is, as these are the household items, so you will create the stock group as household under the primary. Then don't make any change in the options and press Y to accept. After this, to see this, just go to the display option. Then go to the stock items and create. The first stock item is LPG stores. So here I am creating LPG stores under household stock group and the unit of measure is numbers. GST is applicable, applicable. Set oblique alter GST details, yes. Here on value, next one is taxable, and here the tax is 18%. So write down 18%, which comes as 99%. Then type of supply is goods and press Y to accept. Second one is wash basin. Second stock item is wash basin. So write down wash basin. Next again it is under primary households. Then numbers. GST is applicable. Set oblique GST, yes. On value it is taxable and the integrated tax is 28%. Type of supply is goods. No rate of duty, no quantity over here, and accept to yes. Now after creation of stock items, here all the basic information we have created. Now the last step is to create the purchase and sales invoice. So you have to go to the purchase vouchers and select F9 or purchase. Now here supplier invoice number you can write 1st April 2018. This date you will change as 1st of August 2018. So this is the date which they have mentioned. Then party's account name is Bangalore Kitchen Supply. Just type B, it will come. Then after that, don't make any change. Automatically it will come. Interstate purchase account. Enter LPG stores. The quantity and rate is mentioned as the quantity is 100 and rate is 8,500. So here the amount is generated. Second one is wash basin. The rate is, the quantity is 50 and the rate is 7,000. So here your amount is generated, and after this just type IGST, where IGST is calculated automatically as 2,51,000 based on the taxes percentage. Here provide GST e-bill details, make it no, and in the narration being purchase invoice, purchase voucher generated. So this is the first step of generating purchase. Now accept Y to yes. Press Y to accept. Second one is sales voucher. So here reference number don't enter. Then Anand multi-agencies account. Then here delivery note number, if you want to write you can write. Otherwise there is no need to write anything over here. Just press enter, enter. Then change the date as 2nd of August. Sales ledger is interstate sales account. Now only one item is sold, that is LPG stores. So we will make the entry of LPG stores, that is just press L, it will come. The number is 40 and the rate is 10,000. So here after this only one atom is sold, so we will make the entry of only one atom. Here as IGST is calculated based on this, so IGST will automatically gets calculated. Then provide GST we will no, and here being sales invoice generated or created, anything you can write. Press enter and accept to yes. Now in this way purchase and sales vouchers are created. Now after this the last step is to generate the reports. Now the first report which you are going to generate is the GST report. So you will go to the display, go to the statutory reports and click on GST. The first report is GST2. So here if you click on details and period you will change, that is here 1st of April 2080 to 31st of 31st of March 2019. So here your all details of GSTR2 will come. So if you see here, so all the details will come over here. So this is your first report. Press Alt plus P to take the hard copy. Second report is GST annual computation. So here if you see, so this report is again generated. So if you want to see the detailed report, click on the detailed report. So you will get the detailed report or condensed report. Again press Alt plus P to take the hard copy of this. So here this is the another example, that is GST on goods with the help of interstate transactions.